In this video, I'm going to show you the top 3 Forex brokers for US traders that I know from the thousands of students in the academy. The best part, all of these Forex brokers accept credit cards and have low fees. Hi, I'm Petko Alexandrov and I'm the Chief Mentor and Trader at EA Trading Academy. Every year, over 10,000 international students join my courses, which makes me super happy, and I have very useful feedback about the Forex brokers for US traders. I know it is a pain in the beep to find a trusty broker, especially in the US, and in today's video I will share the top 3. And this is not a sponsored video. I'm not paid by any of these brokers. I just wanted to make a useful video for all US traders who can't find the broker. So what should you look for in a Forex broker? When you are looking for a Forex broker, there are 4 important criteria to consider before you invest your money. If you stick to this list, you will avoid getting burned. You will need a broker that is regulated by the proper authorities in the US, has relatively low fees on each transaction, lets you fund your account in a convenient way, uses a world-class trading platform that you can use on the type of device you prefer. All of the brokers that I will mention in this video and those that we have on the brokers page meet those requirements. But please do not take it as a piece of financial advice. You should make your own research and decide which broker you will select for trading. So if you're ready, let's do it. These brokers all maintain net capital of at least 20 million. This is the minimum capital requirement in the United States, and it's similar but not equal to what is required of Forex brokers in other regions such as the UK, where brokers must have at least 730,000 euro to show that they are financially stable. If a broker can't meet that requirement, they might not be around for a long time. Are all of the best Forex brokers for US traders regulated? All of the top Forex brokers for US traders are regulated in the United States. The main regulatory bodies are the National Futures Association, NFA, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. These bodies issue directives which help to prevent fraud, stop scams, and preserve market integrity. Due to these rules, the leverage used for retail traders is limited. The leverage that's available is 1:50 for major currency pairs and 1:20 for all other currency pairs. You can think of the NFA and CFTC as traffic hubs who encourage you to drive within the speed limit. There are still some international brokers that accept traders from the United States. You must always be careful with international brokers since all of them aren't regulated by the authorities in the United States. The United States has 19.5% of global over-the-counter Forex turnover, but only a few brokers are authorized to offer services to US traders. These brokers also allow you to freely choose the base currency that you prefer. However, it's important to remember that if you buy or sell in currencies other than your base currency, you may be charged a currency conversion fee. IG charges a standard fee of 0.5%, for example. So after you got the idea of regulators, which are the Forex brokers for US traders? Forex.com, IG, trading.com. All of the 3 are allowed to offer their services to US traders. These brokers all use either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 as their trading platform, giving you access to third-party APIs, multiple technical analysis indicators, and automated strategies. This software is world-class, and with it you can trade from any web browser. You won't need browser extensions or any additional software to use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. And as you may know from my other videos, I like to use MetaTrader because I can trade with the robots I create with AI Studio, which is the software I use for automated trading. Although I know that many of my students use these Forex brokers in US, you should always do your due diligence on these and any other brokers that you are considering. Use a relatively small sum of money to test how easy it is to deposit and withdraw funds from your Forex account before you make a large investment. You should also check out each broker in the NFA's Background Affiliation Status Information Center, BASIC. By using their NFA ID, a basic check can prevent complications. If you can't find a broker that you're interested in on the basic system by using their firm's name, an individual name, or another identifier, you should avoid doing business with them. Even an introducing broker should be registered on basic if they are legitimate. So if they are not there, that's a bad sign. Now, when a broker is unregulated, they are completely unaccountable for how they handle your money. They don't have to stick to any rules and are free to do whatever suits them. You could invest with them today and they could disappear with your funds tomorrow. Forex.com is the largest broker in the United States and it's registered with both the NFA and the CFTC. It's been in business for many years and has established itself as a leader in the market. In addition, its parent company, Giant Capital Holdings, is traded on the New York Stock Exchange, and that further increases its credibility. Its sister companies are regulated in other major markets such as Japan, the UK, and Canada, so it consistently meets the standards of operation that are set in these regions. If you are opening an account with your debit or credit card, you will only need to deposit $100 and you could start trading with a few hours. IG is also listed on a stock exchange and discloses its financials, so it's considered safe. Like Giant Capital Holdings, it does business in the busiest and most highly regulated trading zones around the world. IG offers traders in the US low spreads, which make it easy to enter your ideal positions in both rising and falling markets. IG has more than 40 years of experience in the financial markets and it operates the North American Derivatives Exchange. The CFTC regulates NADEX, and while both are focused on similar areas, they are managed separately. IG offers low spreads to traders who are using the MetaTrader 4 platform, and they also have attractive offers for high volume traders. Trading.com, of the 3 Forex brokers for US traders featured here, Trading.com has the lowest capital requirement. Their spreads are low and they don't charge commissions. Over 99% of their orders are placed in less than a second. However, don't let speed get you into trouble. Evaluate each trade carefully. As an American Forex trader, you will have access to more than 50 markets with Trading.com. This includes currency pairs such as pound dollar, dollar yen. With this broker, you can place orders online or over the phone. This company is the US branch of the XM Group, which is known around the world and is regulated in markets such as the United Kingdom and the European Union. Trading.com also has some of the lowest costs associated with trading Forex in the United States. The spread for popular currency pairs starts from 0.7 pips on euro dollar, which is the most traded asset, Forex.com and IG offer MetaTrader 4 while Trading.com uses MetaTrader 5. This means that if you use any of these Forex brokers for US traders, you will benefit from advanced charting and a user-friendly interface. In fact, IG offers American Forex traders additional perks such as its Pro real-time charting software, which is fully integrated into MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are reliable trading platforms. They can't be easily manipulated, unlike the strictly web-based trading platforms which are offered by some unregulated Forex brokers. These Forex brokers can adjust their platform so that you profit in the beginning but then sustain huge losses when you are ready to make a withdrawal. In that case, it's really not you, it's them. Now, what is the best leverage for US Forex traders? As we mentioned earlier, regulations prevent Forex brokers for US traders from offering leverage ratios higher than 1 to 50. Although this may seem restrictive, it helps you to limit your losses if a trade doesn't go your way. Always remember that using more leverage gives you less breathing room. Is hedging offered by US Forex traders? Hedging is not offered by Forex brokers for US traders. Hedging actually goes against the rules that have been set by the NFA, and this is why US traders can benefit from it. All brokers that provide services to American citizens must abide to the NFA's first in, first out rule. The FIFO rule says that you must close trades in the order you open them, but only if they are the same trading amount. Some American Forex traders get around this rule by opening two accounts with the same broker so they can go long and short on the same currency pair. This allows them to enjoy the benefits of hedging while staying within the boundaries that the NFA has set. How much capital do you need to start trading Forex in the US? The amount of capital that you will need to start trading on the US varies from one broker to the next. Trading.com makes it easy for you to start trading Forex with as little as $5 in your account. On the other hand, IG requires you to have at least $250 in your account, while Forex.com has a minimum capital requirement of $100 for accounts that are funded by using a credit or debit card. You should never use more than about 1% of your account balance on a Forex trade, since doing otherwise exposes you to unnecessary risk. Which payment methods can you use at Forex brokers for US traders? Forex brokers for American citizens accept a wide array of payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards. Some methods allow your Forex trading account to be funded within a few hours, while others take a few days. At some brokers, you might be charged a fee of 1% for using your card to fund your Forex trading account. If you like this video on Forex brokers for US traders, I'll be glad if you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below to keep learning about trading and trading techniques. Now I'm turning it over to you. Which broker from today's video will you try first? Let me know by leaving a comment below. I thank you for watching and I wish you a great day.